Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, this is going to be a detailed how I separate my twist. So if you want to see how, just keep watching. Okay, like always, I'm going to take an essential oil. You can use any oil and rub that all over your head like so. Then I'm going to take my first twist, and there's no special technique to taking down your twist. I just kind of twirl it the opposite way of how I twisted it and pull them apart. And they should come apart easy due to how you twisted them. So if you twisted them really good and didn't grab any extra strands from different sections, then they should pull apart easy like mine in this video. So look at that definition. But yes, twirl it the opposite way a little bit just to just loosen it up, I guess, and then pull them apart. When taking down your twist, you apply oil because, one, you don't want dry hair, and overnight it dries, so you want to just give it back that little bit of moisture and shine. And two, applying oil on your hands when taking down your twist reduces the amount of frizz you'll have. So yeah, that's why oil is necessary when taking it down, because it'll create less frizz in the end. Like I said, not only does the oil reduce frizz, but it also just adds shine and moisture, get the curls bouncing, all that good stuff. So yeah. Okay, so now it's time to separate. I'm just adding a little bit more oil, and then I'm taking the unraveled twist and basically taking my fingers and pulling where they naturally want to separate. That's the key. Don't just try to pull apart the twist anywhere and force it to be something it's not, because it's going to be a frizzy mess at the end. So take it where it naturally already divides and pull them apart. And when you get towards the end, twirl it around your finger to keep the definition at the end of your curl. So again, just take a strand that's already separated, pull them apart where it naturally wants to go, and then twirl it around the ends of your fingers to keep that definition. Also, there's no specific number that you're supposed to do when separating. So the more definition you want, the less you would separate, because as you can see, there's a lot of definition when just unraveling. But you can separate as much as you want. The more you separate, the more frizz I believe you'll have. So yeah. And if you do run into a spot where you pull it apart and it doesn't come all the way apart at the end, just leave it as it is. Don't force it to become separate at the ends, because that's just going to mess up the curl. So if you're pulling through and it doesn't come all the way down, just leave it as it is, and it will still have that curl. It just won't be as separated. So this is how it looks with everything separated. Like I said, you can separate more or less than what I did. And yeah, see, I just forgot this one. It was kind of thick, so I just separated it. But now I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb. You can take a pick, any utensil, and fluff the roots of your hair. That's just to give it a little bit more volume. If you like big hair, this is what you should do after your styles. And we're done. My hair is bouncy, it's moisturized, there's a lot of definition, and from the separating and fluffing, you can't see the spaces in my head from when I first twisted it. And it's just so bouncy, and it's just so, yes, this is one of the best twist outs I've ever done. So if you liked this video and liked how detailed it was, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. I'm cute, by the way. If you didn't peep already, yes.